Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we're going to walk through how to apply an e-visa to travel to Tanzania. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this Tanzania electronic visa application system. When you're going to file for new application, we're going to begin with here. But before that, if you go for terms condition or most importantly visa application guidelines, where you will have like so many questions answered, like processing time, visa payment, payments accepted, methods, how to track, all these things you can get. And there are so many nationality who can obtain visa directly on arrival too. Okay, those who cannot obtain, that is also given here. Okay, all right. So once you are ready, go to home, click on apply for a new visa. Put your email, passport number, passport issuing country, security question answer, captcha, and start. So I'm gonna do this, and then I'm gonna see you. Then you come to this page where you have to enter your information. So I'm gonna put some sample, but you do it as per your own case. Date and place of birth, do it as per your own case. All the information that you see here is gonna be sample. You have to do as per your case, and whatever information you enter, make sure you check it, verify it at least 2 times, not just once. Nationality at birth, present nationality, residence status, I select citizen, telephone number, mobile number, email. Oh, I think they're gonna ask for 10 digits. Some validation. Email and all, do it nicely. Any mismatch or anything, you know the consequence. Present physical address, country, permanent address, city, country, employment status, employed, IT service, limited, occupation. Next is passport. Select passport. Most of us will have ordinary, country of issue, place of issue. Check your passport, it should match. You don't want any mismatch, right? And trouble for later. Travel country from where you are applying. Let's say applying from India, nearby embassy to handle. Let's India. Type of visa, let's say business, ordinary, multiple entry visa, travel. I select ordinary visa. Purpose, tourism, I select. Is this your first time? I select yes. Travel plan, destination, I select mainland. Port type, airport, port of entry, port of departure, date of arrival, stay duration days. Let's say one stay in 14 days. Local host, Company Tanzania citizen, company ownership, self, resident with pass, asset self. Okay. Where are you going to stay? Hotel. If you book the hotel, provide them information. Country resided. Okay. Here we have to upload the document. So first is your passport photo. Next is passport biodata page. Return ticket. Just return ticket they have asked for. Next is declaration, payment, and then complete. And once it is granted, you are good to go. But I would still say that anything that you have entered, make sure you check it at least 2 times to avoid any issues. That is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.